And in my plate, I have milk. So if you have milk at home, you can do this science experiment. So we have milk. Miss Brooke has some Dawn dish soap. And I have food coloring. And if you have food coloring at home, you can see all the rainbows too. So we are going to put a couple dots of food coloring. So I have yellow, I have blue, I have red, and green. So then I take my Q-tip and I put some Dawn dish soap on my Q-tip already, you can see. And I'm just going to put it in the center. And you can see that the colors start to move, right? When they move, I can move them all around my paper. Then we have the rainbow starting, right? You can see that the Dawn dish soap helps move the colors all over the paper. And then from there, you can make your own little design, right? You can move all the colors all over the place.
That is so cool, Miss Brooke.
And now we have our own cool rainbow. I love doing this science experiment. I think it's so much fun. What do you guys think? Is that pretty cool?